Hey guys, it's Vonshae, and welcome to my six-figure strategy session. Okay, in this six-figure strategy session, we're going to learn how to select a product or service to promote online. Things to look for and things to stay away from.
A warning. The strategies you're about to discover may produce life-changing results. Use at your own risk.
In order to make six figures is anywhere from $100,000 to $999,000. Well, $999,999.99. So that's six figures. We need to know, how can we create something that generates six figures? Now, it may not start out generating six figures in 6 months. It may take 2 or 3 years, maybe 5 years to get to this goal, but we have to have a foundation first. Everybody is not going to make six figures. This is a strategy session. Results are not typical. We don't know if you will work at all. We don't know if you will watch the whole video. Some people get distracted within the first 5 minutes of a video and they leave. So some people won't do nothing at all. And that's why 95% of marketers are not making over $1,000 a month, because people are not dedicated to the process. There is a process, just like going to work every single day for 8 hours a day, driving on the highway for 30 minutes to and fro. That's a process. People are willing to take that because it's guaranteed money. And some people are willing to start their own business because they're more risk takers, and they know that you may struggle in the beginning, but in the long run, it's going to be more beneficial. So the six-figure strategy session, number one, you have to find a product that solves a problem. Selling people what they want is not a problem-solving product. It's just selling people what they want. So in order to, my strategy is I want to be able to solve problems. So I have to find a product or service that's going to solve a problem for somebody else. And that's going to be my founding criteria for selecting a product to promote online. I work online. So that's number one. Number two, you want the product to have a residual base component. I'm in the car business and I do referrals. So a lot of the mistakes I made was, when you do referrals, even though you get paid $100 to $300 per sale, sometimes even $500 per sale, that's only a one-time situation. You get paid one time for the sale, and then you have to do the work all over again every single day for the next few years, or however often you want to make money with the referral business. So it's almost like having a job. I mean, you're making the same amount of money or more, or even a little less. I mean, it depends on who you are. You're making the same amount of money or more than people who work a job, but it's still like you work a job because you have to do the work actively over and over and over again. Actively. You have to continue to do this in order to get these type of results. So even though you make good money, you're stuck in this position, and it's a cycle. It's a cycle, and you have to continue to do the same things, and you'll never break the cycle, because if you don't send a referral, you don't get commission, and then there's just a cycle that needs to be broken. Now, what you want to do, if you find a product with the residual base, recurring, that means, let's say somebody signs up one time, month one, somebody signed up, they like the product, they're going to stay with the product. So month 2, they're going to pay. Month 3, month 4, they could pay for 5 or 10 years or 20 years, or until their business goes out of business. They need your product or service. So they're going to continue to pay until they don't need it anymore or don't want it anymore. That's residual. So what you want to do is, you think about it like this. The first month you sign up 10 people for your product or service. That's 10 people. The next month, if you sign up 10 more people, now you have 20 people purchasing this product or service every single month, and you're making commissions every single month off 20 people. 10 the first month, 10 the second month. Third month, you sign up 10. You got 30 people paying for a product, and you're making commissions, whether you make 30% or whatever your percentage is, you're making percentage. So your money is growing over the time period. It's stacking. So as you grow and you build and you continue to show people how this product or service will help them, you're just making more money. And as they use the service or product and they see how it helps them in their business, they're going to stay with that product or service for as long as they stay with the product or service. With me, I have certain tools that I have to use online to make my business work. I've been with my particular companies since '07. I have been paying every single month since 2007 for certain tools. Do you think the person that signed me up is a happy person? Just imagine how many people they signed up and they're paying every single month since '07. And all they're doing is building and building. It's solving problems and helping business owners grow with the things they need for their business. That's all. When you start helping people and not just looking to make money, but really trying to help people grow their business, then you make more money. But when you're only in business for money, it won't work. It won't last long. So that's the second thing you look for. The third thing you look for is make sure the product is digital. Why? With digital products, such as softwares or programs or stuff or courses or things like that, they have more room to give out higher commissions. Because it's digital, the overhead is much lower. If it was a physical product, your commission rates would be lower. You would just have to drive more traffic to that particular offer. But if it's a digital product, your commission rates could be between 30%, 40%, 50%, and it gives you an advantage because it's digital. Most of the time, the people are just signing up or the people are just downloading or something like that. So it's already created. So you just make passive income and they have more room to pay out. Once you start generating income and you learn the ropes, then you can scale it because you can start investing money into your traffic, into advertising, and driving traffic to your funnel. We'll discuss all that later. But as you start growing your business, you're going to start paying for traffic. Everything is not going to be free all the time. You can start with free sources. You can start, how do I promote these companies? How do I advertise for these companies? Guess what? You can use Facebook as your advertising platform. It's free traffic. You can use YouTube as your advertising platform. It's free traffic. All you have to do is create the videos and get in front of people who are searching for what you have to offer. There are strategies for that. Instagram is an advertising platform. Pinterest, LinkedIn. You can use all of these platforms to get started driving traffic. And then as you grow, then you can start investing in your traffic. The same platforms offer paid solutions. The same exact platforms. You can get the free traffic or you can get the paid. The only thing about paid is that you just show up in front of more people. And it's a numbers game. So the more people you show up in front of, the more people you're going to draw to your advertisement. That's all it is. So these are the things that you search for. Now, I have a program that I'm in, and we help people with the software and tools to start their business. For instance, hosting. You have all types of hosting companies. You have HostGator, you have Bluehost, and you pay $12 to $15 a month for that. And then you have your autoresponder that you need, and you pay $15 to $19 a month for that. And then you have your funnel creation software to create your funnels, the front door to your website, and you pay, some companies are $100 a month to $300 a month for that. So it can get pretty pricey. Sometimes people are paying $500 a month just to run their business on the tools alone. I'm in a program. It's an all-in-one inclusive platform. It has your funnel creation software, your web design software, your autoresponder tools. All of this is in one place. Guess what? We're doing this thing. All you have to do is be willing to do the work. When you go to school to be a doctor, you don't become a doctor the next month. You have to go through a certain amount of time, and it's not 4 years, because average people go for 4 years and get that degree. You have to go for however many years it takes to get a degree for that particular thing that you're going for. So if you're going to be a doctor, you have to go 8 years, 10 years, or whatever. I don't know how long, but you have to go that many years. If you're going to be an attorney, you have to go that many years. So online education is school. You have to learn it. You can't just think, oh, I can YouTube it, I can Google it. You can, but you don't know what to Google. You don't know what to search for, because if you did, you'd have been done it already. So what you want to do is position yourself with somebody who already knows the ropes and has already been down certain roads. So when I feed you the information, I'm only feeding you what actually works. Not saying it's going to work for you, because I can't guarantee that. Results are not typical, but I can say what has worked for me, because I've been working since 2007 online. So that's the benefit of working with someone who's been positioned for a long time, is that they can help you miss all the struggles and all of the roadblocks and all of the scams that's online, because there are scams online. I have been scammed several times. I just didn't quit when I got scammed. I got scammed one time, turned around and got scammed another time, turned around and got scammed another time. But guess what? You don't quit just because you get scammed, because you know it's real things on the internet that you can do. You just have to find what's real. And if you work with me, I just automatically connect you with what's real, and you can eliminate all that extra unnecessary drama. So if you want to get started today, click the link below or on the side, maybe even above this video, and then sign up for your free trial. After you sign up for your free trial, then you'll get an invite to join my private group on Facebook. Have a great day, everyone, and talk to you later. Bye-bye.